Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the yellow teeth filter on Instagram. So to do this one you have to get this filter. This is color selector filter on Instagram. To get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Christopher is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filters to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. He's having the gibberish filter also. Guess the gibberish. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter color selector. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray. Tap on try to try the filter. Okay, so here you have different colors. Choose yellow. Now anything yellow in the screen, that color will be highlighted. Open your mouth, show your teeth. If it's yellow, that's it. Likewise, I'll show you something yellow and let me change a different color. Now it's done black. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this yellow teeth filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.